Alrighty, here we are with the lads, and this is what is in front of us.
Yep. Oh, you're kidding. Just bounced straight back off.
Serious?
Yeah. Find all that stuff there.
Just there. And it's filming. Let's go.
First branch.
Yep, look at that. Alright, big one's coming over. Just this. Beautiful.
Look at this. Branch came down, skewered the middle of the trunk in there, just split it. Couldn't get any more solid than that.
Cool, so this is our view. We've got two heads. This one's leaning back towards the house. This one's leaning towards that house. So I've got a few options. Go down, put a rope around it, get the boys to pull it that way, scarf it out from there, or go up to my high point, pop out that branch, pop out that branch, pop out that branch, and pop out that branch, and then do this fella on its own, which I'm liking the sound. I think I'll do that. Do you want to go grab the big rope? You're under me. This fella. Heads up, everyone. Nice, that went well. Alright, I'll get you to send up that rope. Alrighty, here comes the last head.
Oh. Go. Oh yes, just buried that one. Something good, man. Yeah, rightio.
Come on, vegan pies. Oh yeah,
That's where it's at.
that's where it's at, powering up for the rest of this train. Oh, I guess I could squeeze in some brownie.
Sweet. Oh yes, that was so good, man. That was.
Alright, just finishing up, just raking up the last touches. Ursula, what do you think?
Oh, excellent job.
Oh, thank you so much. Alright, all done. Cheers, guys. Sweet, so we both just got home from work. It was a big day in the trees. We're finishing up with some beautiful banana, hemp, turmeric, fruit ice cream. Yeah, gonna smash this down and then head to the compound. Alright, see you there.